Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today I'm going to show you a quick hack to reconstitute your broken pan pastels. Coming up. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, let me grab a piece of paper. Okay, it's a little hard to use your pan pastels when they're all broken up like this. They are much easier to use when they're pancaked. And so I just want to show you a really quick hack that will put these back in the form that they need to be. And it'll help you from wasting them. And this is not my idea. In fact, I thought it was brilliant. I saw it online. And I cannot find the website that it came from. Actually, it came from a YouTube channel. But basically, all we have here is a tool that is used for an espresso press. It's just, it fits really nicely in there. The big one is a little bit too big, but the small side works just great. And all you're going to do, you just put it in there and apply a lot of pressure. I'm going to keep doing it. You can see it's starting to come together. There are a lot of hacks out there that show you mixing alcohol with some isopropyl. There's a bunch of different hacks. When I contacted the manufacturer and asked about this, they really strongly suggested that I not do that because it changes the properties. Oh boy, it changes the properties of the pastels. So what you could do is add just a touch of water, and I'm going to do that. These are really super dry, so let me see if I can pour this back in there, and then I'm going to add just a touch of water. That water I'm not too worried about. It won't change anything. It'll actually just evaporate. Where is my water? Here it is. And I wonder if I should put a piece of plastic under this, maybe. Well, we'll just try it. Worst thing it can happen is it makes a really big mess. I haven't tried the water. Don't try the water. Okay. Let's see what we got here. What we have is a mess of my pan pastels. I'm going to set this one aside. All right, what we're going to do, these are really crunched, you can see. I'm going to attempt to flatten those out. We'll see what happens here. Well, it's getting there. I think part of the problem with this is there's some actual, there's some really good sized chunks out of there. And so it is smashing together the bigger chunks up on top, but of course it can't get to the bottom ones. And so you decide whether this hack's going to work for you or not. I'll show you this. Let's see. I do think it's better. Okay, it looks like you don't want to put a lot of pressure on this, because then you'll just break up the bottom pieces. Okay, honestly, not a great hack in my opinion. You can see it's a little bit better. Okay, so did a little bit better on that one. This one, still not so sure about. We'll try it on one more. See if it improves it at all. It's definitely better. I wonder if we kick up that stuff, if we can get it ground into the rest of it. Oh yeah. Great. Okay, so that's better. Now the other thing is, will the marks from the metal make a difference? Let's see. Let's use a clean side. Not really. And we can clean it up pretty easily. So I don't know, you know, this thing was 10 bucks, and was it worth it? Yeah, probably. For me, I think so. I could clean these up a little bit. So you'll have to decide on your own, but for me, good hack. Thank you for joining me. Have a good night.